Hi guys, in one of my latest videos somebody left a comment saying wouldn't it be great if I gave some thoughts on a home bar. You only need 2 bottles, something light, something dark. So for me, I'm choosing a gin and I'm choosing a bourbon. You dig into those cupboards at home and you will find all the modifiers you need. You will have herbs, spices, some honey, and if not honey, you'll have some sugar. Probably got some eggs, and all you really need on top of that is ice. I hope this doesn't seem like a cop-out. To make a point, I'm now going to prove it. So I've gone over to my sister's house and we're going to put this to the test. What are you doing?
Hello.
I've just realised I made a massive mistake. Forgotten the booze. What have you got? You got gin and a rum.
Gin, 4 pillars, rum.
Perfect. This is Imi.
Hiya.
Sam.
Hi.
Why are you being so awkward?
Because I'm trying to think what to say. If you want a cocktail right now, Imi first.
A long cocktail, please. Citrus, always. Orange, lemon, lime, grapefruit. Refreshing. Let's pretend we're in summer.
Okay, right, Sam, long or short?
Short. No citrus for me.
Okay.
After dinner sweet, rum.
Challenge on. Right, let's see what they got. Straightforward. Plymouth, dark rum. Okay, cool. Have you got ice? What have you got in here? Straight off. This is what I'm talking about. Honey.
Yeah.
That is cheap honey though. You've got to upgrade on the honey.
Honey's expensive.
Yeah, honey's expensive for a reason because tiny little bees make it. We've got you like curries. Use some of that. Mixed spice. What's in mixed spice? Yeah, there's loads we could do here.
Marmalade. Mum's marmalade.
Mum's
Best marmalade going.
Bit of honey going in. Ground mixed spice. Do you have a zester or a grater?
Absolutely.
What's this?
Step it out. It's a zester.
Okay, what I meant was you have a potato peeler. That's superb. I like that. And a chopping board and a knife. We're flying.
It's so good. You can pour it. No, you
measure.
don't even need to do that. Put the lid back on. There's pour it. Look, pour it.
This is good. Got a bit of orange in there as well. Lovely bit of juice coming off that. What did we do with the booze? What's there? What's there? Put some of that in. Not measured. Yum. Okay. Is it a shark? Stuck to my finger. This is the problem with homemade cocktails. No one ever has enough ice. Get yourself a Tupperware, fill it with water, and put it in the freezer. You have a nice big block of ice, and you can get a knife or a hammer and just smash it up. For Sam's drink, I'm making a twist on an old fashioned. I'm using a dark rum, honey instead of brown sugar. I've thrown in some ground mixed spice because we don't have any Angostura bitters. That is delicious. Citrus, long, refreshing.
Yeah, that's gonna wake me up in the morning. Citrusy, sharp, light, refreshing.
It's actually pretty damn good. I'm surprised. Pleasantly surprised. Cheers.
Cheers. Whoa, that tastes like Christmas.
That's exceptionally refreshing.
I'm gonna make this a regular thing. If you think it's a good idea, put it in the comments below and I will come to your house like a stalker and I will come and make you cocktails on a Friday evening. We've made some tasty cocktails. Good night.
Bye, see ya.
Thanks guys.